Happy December 18th. Just to let you know that I may pull a face for this. It's licorice and cinnamon. The two flavours that I don't think I'm going to enjoy already. And normally I'm not that opinionated about tea, but already just by reading the two combinations, I don't think I'll be a fan of it. It does look very dark. Obviously it's got it's got cocoa bean shell in it as well, roasted chicory root, cardamom pod, cinnamon bark, sweet fennel seed and licorice root. So it's another thing again saying it contains licorice. Don't drink excessive amounts if you have hypertension. So it's quite nice that they do little warnings on here as well for you, and seek advice during pregnancy. Unlikely. Let's give it a try. It actually smells like Christmas, but I think it's just because of the cinnamon in it. You can't help but think Christmas, but it's actually not too bad. It's a lot better than what I was expecting, to be fair. So yeah, enjoy.